Welcome to my channel, guys. We want to make soap base. We have essential oil and we also have caustic soda. The mixture of caustic soda and essential oil will give you a very beautiful, clean looking soap base. That kind of soap base you can use to make any kind of soap you like. Dissolve 4 spoons of caustic soda in 40 ml of water. Ensure that it's dissolved completely. Of course, I always say it, caustic soda is very corrosive, so be careful when you are mixing. It is always good to have precaution method by wearing gloves. You pour 40 ml of water and dissolve it, and then you stir it very well. The next thing is to add the essential oil. Add 4 spoons of oil. Then you mix the two immediately. You have to stir it to mix very well. As you are mixing it, you're going to observe that it's getting thicker immediately. The reaction is so fast to be getting thicker immediately. So you continue to stir, and when it's properly mixed, you get a mold. Now it's almost ready. You get a mold. Choose any mold you like. Then add oil. Grease the mold so that you can remove it easily when it's dry. So I grease it this way. You can use brush. Then you pour the mixture of caustic soda and essential oil into the mold. Pour it into the mold, and you allow it to dry, to cool down and solidify. Allow it to solidify. It might take you some time. It can take you up to 3 to 4 hours. Then you remove it. After about 4 hours, I pulled mine out. It looks dry. So you press the corners and then you remove the soap. But I can see that my own did not dry properly. So as I was pulling it, it was cracking. This soap base can be used to make your carrot soap, your papaya soap, your lemon soap, all kinds of soap. Don't forget to drop your comments below. Like and share this video, please. Give us thumbs up and kindly subscribe if you are new. Thank you for your support always. See you in my next video. Bye.